All right, hey guys, if you're noticing sputtering starts, no starts, or a lot of stalling, it might be time for you to replace your fuel pump. Now, a lot of things obviously can lead to poor starts. So check and see if all your connections good, there's no fuses blown, make sure your fuel pump is actually getting power. If that's good, you might want to put a fuel pressure gauge on your pump. That way you can see if loss of pressure, because loss of pressure may indicate it's time to replace the pump. Now here's the unfortunate part about replacing the pump. It's a big job. You got to drop the tank. Requires a lot of disassembly. So that's why we highly recommend going with a product that meets all the OE standards. The last thing you want to do is spend a lot of money on a part that doesn't meet those OE requirements only to do the job over again in a couple months. Now this fuel delivery module from Motorcraft is going to give you the best fit and quality per your application. Now it's a single stage turbine pump. That means it's going to run super quiet. You're never going to hear it in the cab of your car. So you have in-laws that you don't want to hear talk, this isn't your pump. It also has optimum pressure and flow rates. Has all the OE connections like this. It's going to guarantee you a leak-free positive connection. Has a lifetime in-tank filter, and most applications come with the inline filter that you could change out accordingly. Now that's important too, because if these inline filters get restricted, it's going to cause this pump to have to work harder. If the pump works harder, it heats up, and that will kill it prematurely. And that's why it's real important to replace the inline filter as well as having a really good quality filter in the tank. Now Motorcraft fuel delivery modules are built to last. They put them through over 70 tests. Make sure they can handle all the electrical loads, the fuel levels, the operating ranges, and so forth, even using inferior sort of quality fuels or blends or even excessive additives. So when you invest your money in an OE part like this Motorcraft fuel delivery module, you know you're getting a part that meets all the performance standards and qualifications, and you're getting the right fit for your application. Motorcraft's fuel delivery module is available at Federated Auto Parts.